What's going on, everyone? Uh, Now I'm back here with the, you could call it the final build at this point. I think I'm pretty safe to say it's close to it. It's certainly not gonna be the final revision. Um, this is actually something that I've been planning to do for some time, even before this class, for my dog. Not only just to be related to treats. By the way, this is the dog treat machine. But I've always wanted to do a machine that even launches her toys or launches her treats. But I've always thought about doing it with like using Arduinos and sensors and some kind of resistors for um, to put some kind of weight sensing to it. And so that's just I think gonna be my another long-term project, or not long-term, but another project to do after completion of this class. Um, so just to give you a bit of what it is right now. It's essentially taking the same idea of a four-bar mechanism or four-bar linkage that I took during the prototype stage with a few tweaks. And of course, the build is still not in the best shape. I need to do something about kind of reinforcing it and showing a little bit of so that there is a little more repeatability, which there is right now, but it just needs it a little more. Um, so you can see this is basically the same base. If you see my previous post, same base and back that I was using originally. Instead, I had this as the base and this as the back stand, but I ended up switching the entire mechanism around and used this as the base. This is now the back stand that's going to be holding the tube, which holds the treats, and the four bar mechanism is still going to be actuated by this little dog paw pedal, which has a resistor. I'm sorry, another resistor, a spring at the bottom. So essentially, just press, and it just actuates that piston-like motion on the slider or the sliding block. And if you look a little, actually, let me take the phone and bring a little closer here. It is essentially, I instead of what I had been using the previous time was this kind of sliding block, in which this area was the one blocked by the was the one blocking the exit or the outlet for the treats. And essentially, when it was treated back, this would be exposed, so the trees would fall down this little canal. But the problem with that is that if you just leave the paw pedal completely to the bottom, then it would just be released and all the trees would come out sliding. So the change that I made to it, which by the way I was actually about to change the design completely and do something like what Mark was doing in their design during the prototype stage, but I figured since I had already started this idea with the four bar mechanism type or piston motion, I decided to just continue along and just alter it to make it work. So you can actually see in this sliding block, it's actually a three stage. So you have this solid in this area, this in the middle is going to be a ramp, and then another solid block. So essentially at this point, when it's not being actuated, this is going to be blocked, this exit, and a treat is going to be recharged onto the ramp, but there is still no access from this side. And once the pedal is actuated, this is now blocked, so there is no more candy coming out, and only whatever was recharged already on the ramp is just gonna come outside and come out into this little plate. Also, if you see the previous post or the prototype, you'll notice that I had a guiding slide made out of a cheap sheet metal kind of thingy. That's essentially this piece, which was cut out for the prototype. And I was about to throw this, but then I saw it actually kind of looks like a plate, so I'm using whatever was left of that other piece as a plate, and it actually works good as the entrance for the tree to just be laying around here. Few treats that I'm going to be using on the tube, and as you can see, she's waiting patiently until I just stop talking and give her the dog treat machine. Vanilla, ahí, ahí, ¿qué es ahí? Let's see, she's not moving. Bunny, ahí, ahí. All right, back to business. Last time I was getting a little bit of a cut because of the type of treat that I'm using, but it should be fixed now, maybe not. So that was the sliding mechanism, and another treat was trying to come out. If I press it again, they have come out, not sliding, and that is because I have another type of this treat that is not that is being caught up. So I'm gonna take it out and do it again. Uh-oh. She ain't the ones I left outside. Bunny. Okay, my fault on this one. So see here, just press the pedal, it comes out. That should be reloaded. Press the pedal again, it comes out. So let's just show her how it's done, and hope she gets it. Bunny, venga. Mire, Bunny, Bunny, Bunny. She's wondering how to reach it. Okay, I think everybody pretty much sees the mechanism. It's gonna take a little bit of training to do. I'm pretty sure she's gonna be able to do it. She's smart. She even closes the door when we ask her to, so she'll be able to just learn to put her paw in here. So this is my final build. Hope you guys like it, and look forward to start the next project with all of you guys. La